Hello students, I'm Ms. Rios and today we're going to be talking about the solar system. We're going to start off by watching this video.
Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about the solar system. As you know, the Sun is a star, one of many stars that form the Milky Way. But for us, it's the most important star shining in the sky. Planets move around the Sun, and so do comets and asteroids. Well, the Sun and everything that revolves around it is what we call the solar system. The most interesting things that we should know about the solar system are the planets. Let's look at them, starting with the ones closest to the Sun and then getting further away. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. Then there is Venus. Then comes the Earth, yes, our planet where we live. Then there is Mars, Jupiter, the largest planet, Saturn, Uranus, and then the furthest away is Neptune. As you can see, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are closer to the Sun and also smaller than Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. One important thing you should know is that the journey that all planets make around the Sun is called an orbit. Now a question. Do you know where the days of the week get their names from? Well, if we think about it for a minute, the Moon, which is not actually a planet itself, but Earth's natural satellite, gives its name to Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday come from ancient British gods that were related to the planets Mars, Mercury, Jupiter and Venus. Saturday gets its name from Saturn, and of course the Sun itself gives us the name Sunday. So if you remember that there is also Uranus, Neptune and our own Earth, then you know all the names of the 8 planets in the solar system. Easy, eh? Goodbye for now, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to Happy Learning.
All right, so that was something fun. So what is the solar system? The solar system is made out of stars. It has spheres of gas that emit light and heat. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. This is what we see outside, the light, during the day. That is our Sun. Celestial bodies that orbit the Sun. Comets, those are small with a bright tail, which look like this. Planets, they're large. They can be inner or outer. We are in the inner part, Earth. And that's just a little picture of a planet. Inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Those are the inner planets that are closer to the Sun. Just like the video stated, they're smaller than Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the outer planets. So let's go ahead and talk about Earth. This is where we live. The Earth is the largest of the inner planets. Not a perfect sphere, it is squished at its poles, and it has natural satellite, the Moon. The Moon, it orbits Earth in 28 days, is lit by the Sun. We're going to go ahead and skip that little video. It explains the phases of the Moon. The Earth's movements.
and its movements. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and it has a unique characteristic that no other planet we know has. It's the only one that has life on it. Life of all types, plants, animals.
We're the only planet in the in the solar system that has life.
Its average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, and because our planet also has water and an atmosphere, it is the perfect place for life. Like other planets of the solar system, the Earth moves in two different ways. One is called rotation, and the other is called revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its own axis. Rotate means to turn, so the Earth turns around a slightly inclined imaginary line that joins the two poles called the axis. Do you know how long it takes to make a complete turn? It takes 24 hours to make one rotation. Think about it for a second. One day and night together, lasts 24 hours too. So the movement of rotation causes day and night. Interesting, right?
We're going to go ahead and skip the rest. So just like the video said, the Earth rotates anti-clockwise on its axis, and it takes 24 hours, which causes day and night. Now the revolution is when the Earth revolves around the sun, which takes 365 days and causes seasons like spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So 1 year is 365 days. That's how long it takes for the Earth to revolve around the sun. We're going to go ahead and skip that video as well. The Earth is unique. Life does exist on Earth. It receives the necessary amount of light and heat from the sun, and it is surrounded by a layer of air that contains oxygen, which we do use to survive, to breathe here. And of course, it contains water. The layers of the Earth. Hydrosphere is the liquid part, water, seas, oceans, rivers, lakes, and groundwater, which can be seen there. The geosphere, solid part, continents and islands. An atmosphere, the air layer around the Earth. And that's about it for right now for our solar system. We will continue with the rest of the planets on our next class for tomorrow.